Cool guys, next section on our beginners fishing series, we're dipping into our little beginners tackle box again. I've brought along a spinnerbait today. This is a nice tungsten bait, Terminator, not tungsten, sorry, it's titanium, so it can bend and it just snaps back. It's nice and forgiving, especially for beginners. Your wire spinnerbaits, there are benefits to both, but just for simplicity we're going to throw this Terminator Titanium Spinnerbait, tying it on again with a polymer knot. As I mentioned when discussing the polymer knot, I tie it all the time on so many different baits. So quick and easy. There, that bait's already on. Trim the tag end nice and close. And I've got a little trailer, you'll see here. You don't have to fish a spinnerbait with a trailer. I like to put a little, just a little paddle tail bait on there. Just gives the bait a bit more bulk. You can work it a little bit slower, and also when the fish inhales it, there's a bit more bait for it to grab onto. So yeah, nice little rig there, and we'll show you how we catch some fish on this a bit later. Got it. Okay, you're on.
I've left it on.
Oh, I think the battery's run out.
Low battery.
Low battery. Yeah, I got him. Oh dear, change the battery. So yeah.
I mean, it's still filming for now, Shaun.
Is it?
Yeah. Sorry, I'll undo mine.
No, it's not a bad one at all. There you go. Got the spinnerbait fish. So we've got all of them now today. There you go. Nice bassy on spinnerbait. And I was mucking about trying to get the camera going when I was already going. Bye bye fishy. Today in our beginner series we threw a double willow Terminator Titanium Spinnerbait. I like the double blades, whether you go double willow or willow and Colorado blade, not a big issue. Today we threw it was kind of a white and silver bait, but that's also besides the point. The reaction bite wasn't really great today. We saw that with the jerk bait as well. We still managed to get some fish on the spinnerbait, and pretty much it was just a cast, and what we call a little bit of junk fishing, just throwing that bait around and covering as much water as you can, and eventually you find a fish that's aggressive enough to hit the bait. Unfortunately not as great today as we had hoped with the spinnerbait, but again, it proved you can catch on it. Always a fun bite and something worth having packed in your tackle box.